Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you a really cool tool I found this last week. That is the stencil. Never seen it before, and when it comes to like sculpting and texture painting, I'm kind of a wimp, you know? And so, can you just imagine the delight that I had when I saw that this really awesome tool to make my job easier just blew my mind, and so I want to share that with you today. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a multi-res onto this cube. So to do that, I'm going to show you an easy way that I found. Multi-res. I found this through the F3 menu. So this is just me kind of like wondering, can I do this? And sure enough, yes, I can. I don't have to add it through this stuff where I have to search and all that stuff. So kind of another way to do that. And so now on this one, what I want to do is that I want to do simple subdivisions. If I do subdivide like this, it smooths it out. In this example, I don't want to do that. So let's see, I'm going to go back. All right, delete higher. And then I'm going to show you the simple. And I'm going to go up to level 6. That's where I feel comfortable, where I can do sculpting on this. And just give you the basic rundown of what I did. So now, this tool that I have, I'm going to get a new texture for a brush, right? So I got nothing there right now. And I'm going to open up an existing image file that I got, hexes, to give you a very quick example of what I do with this. So now, if I were to go into sculpt mode, we have this available now where we can say add stencil, right? Stencil. Right now we don't have anything yet. All right. Now we have this. So now with this stencil, what I can do is I can move this over by pressing right click, bringing this over and centering it, right? And so I can scroll, do all that stuff, and fit it in until I get into that spot where it's going to match it. And I can also do a shift, right click, scale this. Okay, so there's a lot of cool things that you can do to make this a little bit more user friendly for you. And I think I'll shift right click a little bit here. There we go. We have that so that now we can just do our sculpting. I found a couple things out as well. For our tool here, I want a couple things, such as I want to be able to change the fall off. So instead of smooth, I want it to be constant. That's one of the things that I'm doing. And then another thing that I did was that I went into advanced because I found that if I was doing stuff on this face, I found that sometimes it ended up going and transferring to the opposite face. I only want front faces on this. I'm I'm going to increase the size on that so that now it just prints it right there, right on the surface. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to just do this on the four sides to give you just kind of the idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so I got one there. I'll move this over. One there. Then one last one. And then this just kind of shows you what I can do with this stencil brush, right? Something got me super excited when I saw this. So you can see a little pixelation on this. If I were to take this to level 7 instead of level 6, I would get some better results than just this. But you know what? And this is a great way to show you just kind of how to start out with doing brush stencils. I can go out into object mode, and now I can also shade smooth. Look at how cool that is, right? Got it so it matched up and did this really cool stuff where I've got like just a little bit of sharper results. And so this is something that I'm planning on using and refining so that I can get some better results than just what I showed you here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope that you comment, that you like, and if you haven't subscribed already, come on, get in and subscribe. Be a part of the fun and help my channel grow. And this also helps me to get some good ideas for what I can do to add to the tutorials. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks a lot, guys.